Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. I just want to give you a quick information about Ford IDS or FDRS requirement setup for it. In the top here, you're gonna see anytime you have software manager, a pop-up into your computer, and if there is any update or any download, it will come up. But the requirement for what you need, you see here, if you need to use FDRS, which you can use it to program newer car 2020, 2021, 2019, or 2016 and up, it is better to use it, which is for diagnostic repair system. The requirement is that you must have operation system require Windows 7 or Windows 10. And right now I have Windows 10. Also the RAM memory is 3.5 gigabyte. I have 8.3 gigabyte, which is very good. So this is the requirement. If you want to buy a laptop, get the laptop with this specification. The operation system, Windows 7, Windows 10. Windows 10 is better. The RAM, minimum RAM, 3.5 GP, which is I have 8.5, and the CPU central processing unit Intel i5 or i7 dual core. What I have it here, 11th generation Intel Core i5 135G7 2.5 2.4 or 2.40 gigahertz, like greater internet speed down up to or greater, or and the internet must be Internet Explorer 11.0. You don't need to get Google Chrome or something. You have to go with it with the Internet Explorer, and then anytime there is an update, you just have to update it. It takes some time. This one also is the same thing for Ford IDS. They work together in the same platform. You can put Ford IDS. You see this one is finished, and the platform is installation is successful. Say okay. Now you have IDS. IDS also is coming here. You can install it or download only. If you want to download it only, you can download it into your download section in your computer. You update it later, or to install. It may take some time, but always try to have the up-to-date software. This is published on February 14. As soon as you download the software from the server and you buy the subscription, it will come automatically updated, so you can update your software from time to time, and it will work like you see it here. This is one of the best tools that you can use it for Ford, Mercury, Lincoln. Now it take a setup, and it's gonna go to clean everything. And this is the IDS icon here, and Ford FDRS is another icon here in the bottom here. This one, it take more than FDRS, because FDRS all the time, like online procedures, you say installing, it will require you to to restart your computer. You have to agree and then click next. Here is the IDS configuration, your new software, and you just keep going. I don't want to give you more, but this is how you download the software or upgrade it after you have it. It will. This is 21.25.01, and this one here, it could be something less than that. Okay, now for example, if you want to go and get those, it is better to have subscription. For example, I go to Google and go to Ford Motocraft, or just go to Motocraft. You see Motocraft, enter. This is a place where you can get everything you want, but you better subscribe. Go here where you are in the world, United States, English, submit. Now this is my my access. For example, I will put the UWU. Okay, and then you say I'm not a robot. You're gonna log in. Now here you're gonna go to source. You see free. You have to have account. This is my account. You have to go to free source, or you go to your subscription. It's gonna open to you maybe another account. Or go here for, if you already have account, come to diagnose support and go to software, go to FDRS or IDS, go to any one of them and say purchase a software. Here you can get what you want to buy. You see here, and then you click continue. You have to log in again. You see here is your another place, and from there you can get your license and you have everything there. But here in this place, this is if you want. If you don't want, if you need some support, you can come here, quick guide. You can get also the software you want to download, like IDS software, download software. You can download it, but it will not work with you. Some of them they work, some of them after you download. You see here the update is released 125.3. You can download it from here, and then as soon as you plug in your tools, it will not work. You have to have a subscription. So it is better to have your subscription through here and do the rest. This is a quick information that I'm giving it to you. Here the IDS installation has detected the following, so it will clear the first one and it will do the other one. As soon as you finish update your IDS, the computer will go to restart mode, and now you have IDS and FDRS ready to go. Please subscribe, share and like, and if you have any question, feel free to ask. This is how we're going to deal with the new technology, new cars, new information. Right now it's 8. I forgot to tell you that IDS, it has $50, and also it has about $800 to $900 a year. You and your experience, try to check which one you use it a lot. Okay, I'm gonna go here. Okay, now if you go in welcome section, you will see you have window 11 to upgrade it. Mid window 11, we think this is, if you have it. I don't want to do anything now. I don't want to upgrade now. Skip for now. Anything, skip it. Now here you have, by the way, you can use AutoLink. It's for AutoLogic. You can use IDS. You can use GM on this laptop. You can use AutoHex. You can use Volkswagen, Audi if you have the software. You can use Kia and Hyundai. Here is the software for it. You have a lot of stuff. So now on where I'm going now. Now on FDRS-IDS, you can go with it and it will tell you if you go like this. You see here we have 125.1, even though there is another one also coming. Forget about this. And if you want to use FDRS, it's totally different, but you cannot put FDRS, which is like pass-through device. Here it gives you two places. You can log in with a for dealer employee or non-dealer or its. So dealer employee, it will give you a different information. Here is the dealer website. You can go and do whatever you do with it. It has full functions, but you are not a dealer. You cannot come here. You have to close this and choose non-dealer, which is this one. It have like here you're gonna put your name, your dealer, you know, like you're gonna put your password and you are inside. Thank you for watching Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like.